All right, so to figure out how much of my candy I have eaten, we would add together the two fractions. So 4/5 plus 3/4. Okay. Remember, we have to find a common multiple for 5 and 4. So count by 5 a few times. And then I count by 4. And I stop when we have a match. Okay, so 20 is their common denominator. So 4/5 times something equals blank 20ths. And 3/4 times something is blank 20ths. So this is 4/4. And this is 5/5. Okay. So they both now are in 20ths, so I can add them together. So we have 16 20ths plus 15 20ths. And that's 31 20ths. Okay. We're not going to leave it in this improper fraction phase. We're going to change it to a mixed number. So we have to figure out how many 20s are in 31. Well, there's 1. And after we take away one group of 20, we have 11 left, because 31 take away 20 is 11. So I have eaten one whole bag and 11 20ths of the other one. Okay. But the second question is, how much do I have left? So I could start by doing 3 take away 1 and 11 20ths. Oh boy, I have no fraction piece here. So draw my little T-bar there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow one whole from the 3. So that becomes 2. And I'm going to take that one whole and just rewrite it as 20 20ths. Now I have enough to finish it and do the subtraction. So I do 20 take away 11 is 9 20ths, because my denominator stays the same. And then I can do 2 take away 1 is 1. So I have one whole bag and 9 20ths. I could also count on or add up. So I could say I ate one bag and 11 20ths. And I'm trying to figure out what I would add to it to get 3 wholes. Okay. Well, it's not 1 and 11 20ths plus 2, because that would be way too much. That would be 3 and 11 20ths. So nope, not correct. Okay. So I want to think, what could I add on here? So what I might do is figure out what would I add to 11 20ths to get to the next whole. So to get me to 2. Well, I have 11 out of 20, so I need 9 more 20ths. And that brings me to 2 wholes. And I just need one more whole to get to 3. Okay, so I can use, because the numbers are so small, I could do the subtraction, or I could do this counting on. Okay, but I just have to be careful if I'm doing counting on, because I'm going to have a little fraction value in my answer. Okay, hopefully the rest of my candy will make it to the weekend. Bye, boys and girls.